How you doing this
I'm
morning?
good. Good morning.
Good morning. You're still looking glowing, girl.
I'm loving that top you have on.
Thank you. You know what? Because of everything that's happened over the last couple weeks, I got this sweatshirt at a women's conference called Sparkle. And y'all see what it says? I don't know if y'all can read it there. Persevere.
Yes.
Okay.
I love it.
Persevere. And I have a hat that matches this sweatshirt, and it says "Trust God." I was going to wear the hat this morning so I could be like Tim in the baseball sweatshirt, but you know it didn't quite go with the hair this morning.
Right.
So maybe another time I'll wear the hat, but that's my mantra this morning: trust God and persevere. Because
I love it.
The last month, market and me were not good friends. That's the best way I can put it. We were not good friends. We were not tight buddies over the last couple of weeks. But this morning I put on my sweatshirt. I said, okay, I'm persevering. And I, got my chart set up, saw a couple moves, and I bought 2 of my accounts back up to my threshold for trailing drawdown, and I'm like $3,000 in profit. So praise God for persevering, okay? Praise God for persevering.
You must have traded PPI.
This morning I did, no, PPI isn't yet because, did I? I don't know what I did. Let me see.
You did.
I did?
Yeah.
Maybe that was it, girl.
You must have been in that bullish move.
You know what? I traded gold.
Oh, you traded gold.
I traded gold. I traded gold this morning on the 32nd time frame. And I was
in a buy?
I beg your pardon?
You got in a buy?
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
That was
I got in a buy. I got in a buy. And I'm like, I said, I'm using wisdom today. I'm using wisdom, allow price to pull back where it needs to pull back. I checked my other time frames. I knew it was going to go higher. It pulled me out. I was like at 4,800 drawdown in 2 accounts. And I said, okay, I just want to get back to baseline. And he did it for me this morning. So I'm extremely happy.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, that was a good move this morning.
Yeah,
PPI came out. Well, it wasn't really negative, but
it was,
I guess, lower than previous, lower than the same as forecast.
It came in 0, and then core PPI stayed the same.
But it was a little lower than the previous, right?
Yeah. It was previous was 0.3. And actual now is 0.2, but it's kind of like been that way. It's kind of weird. Been that way over the last, couple months there.
Yeah, that was a good move. They are saying congratulations to you in the chat. Good morning, everyone.
Thank you. Good morning. Good to see you all here. We got Lynn, Kamika, Paula. Hey, Dr. Ann, our Savannah friend, Greg, Joy, Tim. We need to touch base, Kiari. I know you've been busy, but let's touch base soon. We got Priscilla in the house. Thank you, babe. We got Priscilla in the house. Live Groom and DXM. Live Groom.
I think that's George. Is that George?
Is that George?
I think so.
Okay. And it's DXM, one of your friends from the Northeast?
No, I don't know who that is.
Okay. Well, hey, DXM.
Oh, welcome.
Welcome to the call. Tisha, our Texas girl. Mia, the Sunshine Trader.
Yes.
Marika is in the house this morning. Awesome. We got Team Ignite showing up like fire. Okay, so George is,
Jerry's here.
yeah, Joy from Texas, down in San Antonio. Corey, hey Corey, the infamous
Tanya is in the house.
Tanya
Hey.
Campbell is in the house.
Yes.
All right, all right, all right. We are looking to have a good morning this morning, and just we want to thank you all for joining in and being with us this morning on another Power Hour. So all is well.
All right, let's start looking at these charts before the open.
Yeah, at 9
I just got off of work, by the way. Worked a 12-hour shift.
I see your scrubs, girl, but you did look. You cleaned up real well. You rocking the scrubs this morning. It's real life, okay?
Okay.
Real life. We got to work and we got to trade.
Yeah. So I have been up since yesterday. I've been awake since yesterday.
I got your back, girl.
All right.
I got your back.
Yeah. All right, let's take a look. We're going to look at YM this morning.
Yeah.
I got to peek at it a little bit. You want to start with, you want to share your screen?
Okay, I can do that. Let's see here. Let me do this. I'll start out and okay. Thank you, Priscilla. We try to do our best, girl. Show up in the morning looking like something, okay? Can you guys see my screen? No, not yet?
Not yet.
Okay, let me try it again. Okay, there we go.
Yes, we see it.
So I marked off my targets for the 1 hour and the 4 hour. 1 hour is this yellow target, and the 4 hour is the orange target. And we have been trading, and I will say this, because I trade on the 30-second and the 1 minute, I do have a lot of lines on my chart to indicate
different levels.
So if you're not trading that low, don't worry about it. But I do, when we get down to the lower time frames, because both Nedra and I trade 1 minute down in that area, so it'll make more sense. But we have been trading above last week's close since Wednesday morning, when we had news and we kind of shot up. So
yeah, let's start from the top down. We want to go to the weekly real quick, just so we can take a look at what's happening.
Yep, let's see here. So on the weekly, last week was just kind of a wash.
Yeah.
Bears and Bulls kind of toughed it out. This week we've been bullish.
Yeah, we dipped down. I think that dip down might have been, was that CPI that made us dip like that?
Let's go to the daily and see. That would have been Tuesday. That would have been Monday and Tuesday.
Oh, okay.
That low. To create that low there, and then we kind of bounce back off the 21. Rejected off the 21 on Wednesday, and then started the push up on the daily.
Okay.
And then these last 2 days have been bearish overall, but still in the realm of pushing up. We're still in the top half of the TDI, which normally for me means that we are going to have an opportunity to see price still be bullish.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I've been anticipating too. And if you go back to the weekly, like those the last 3 weeks, even though that middle candle is like a real, like a doji or whatever, like very small body, but there's a lot of wicks at the downside there. So something to keep in mind.
It sure is. So
so buyers have definitely been pushing it up.
Definitely been pushing it up
for the last 3 weeks. So okay.
Let's go down to the 4 hour. 4 hour, we've hit some pretty consistent levels here at like 42,450, and topping off right at 42,830, 835. So just like this candle here back from Friday the 27th, when I put everything back on, that was one of the areas where now I feel like you can see here, I feel like this is going to be another area where we're going to push back up into to test that high.
Yeah, that's actually the all-time high right there.
Yeah, 4,300.
So yeah, I have that marked off on my chart as all-time high.
Okay, and then let me go back to the 4 hour, and you notice here, like this TDI middle band is starting to go above the 50% mark, and the bands are widening up.
Yes, which is a good sign.
So that again is another one of our confluences for taking this a little bit higher. 15 minutes before open. Let me hurry up. Okay, so here on the 1 hour. Yeah, this 1 hour, you've got this, like from where price took off here on Wednesday, you kind of got this horseshoe pattern here where it retested these highs from last week.
Yep.
Did a little consolidation here. Now it's put in a higher low off the 50. And then the TDI has responded to the lower band. And then we've got another. Now this always is interesting to me when you've got this upper band that horseshoes like this.
That's kind of pointing down.
Yeah, and then price is in the middle.
Yeah, it's a weird spot, especially on the 1 hour, because it does make me, even though my bias is bullish, it does make me wonder if we're gonna have more of a pullback first before pushing up.
Yeah, and let me just check one thing. So 9:45, 8:45, he speaks. 9 o'clock, we've got U of M sentiment and U of M inflation expectations. Those are going to be important too. So if you do, again, I always say mark your chart, because that's going to make some reaction with price. Let's go down to 30 minutes. Okay, then we've got this consolidation here at this 30-minute.
Yeah, definitely.
Where it's broke, retested, broke under. This was what was yesterday? CPI.
Yeah. Yes.
Core CPI. Yep. So we got all of this wick action in here. Came back, retested, broke again. Now we're consolidating and breaking here. And again,
Like
if
we're
you
technically in the pullback
yeah,
of the higher time frame right here. So that 1 hour downtrend is the pullback.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Let's look at the 15-minute.
And
I didn't mean
it's
that right there. I want
fairly
to go back to the 30-minute for just a second and see from this move here. Okay, so this
like the
came down
38.
to 38.2, tested to 3.6. So we know that if it's testing those, it's looking for TP1, which would be right in my yellow zone.
Yep.
There, TP2 would be in the 4-hour block.
Mm-hmm. And TP1 is
amazing that if it hit this in this zone, the 61.8.
Yeah, that can definitely be a possibility.
Okay, I'm going to take this off. We don't have a whole lot of stuff on there. Okay, down to the 15-minute. We got 11 minutes to go. So
we'll get through it.
Yeah.
Yeah, the 15 minutes look like it's trying to push up, but it hasn't broken the. So even though price was very wicky and like from yesterday, it was still making lower highs and lower lows.
Yeah.
So on a 15-minute, it's wicking off of those areas to the left. So it hasn't really broken structure there, but it also didn't make a lower low. So, we're kind of in an in-between spot here. Like I feel like the setup is not as nice as the last power hour.
Yeah.
But I want to see what it does at market open.
Okay, let's look at the 5-minute. The 5-minute, still we've got this consolidation here. And if you look at the TDI, the middle band the gold band is right above the 50%. I want to jump down to the 1 minute and see what's happening. And then you can see that we are getting, it's like all of this consolidation here, to me, is just revving up for this to go higher. And then we're right on the 200 on the 1 minute. And then once we pass this, we'll be, it's going above the 800 now. So I think here, rejecting off that 50. On the 1 minute, we're rejecting off of that 200, testing that 200. So I definitely think this is gonna be the move up. What's your thoughts? We got this area here.
Yeah, my bias is definitely bullish. I just want to see with open if we can like have a pullback first. I'm just marking off my sessions right now real quick. Yeah, we reacted off of the Asian high and pushed down from there. So let me just see.
Good morning, systems analyst. Welcome to the Power Hour this morning.
Yeah. The 1 minute looks like it definitely looks like it wants to be bullish. But the consolidation around, like, it's sitting right on VWAP. It's sitting right on VWAP.
Let me turn VWAP back on. This is the thing that I've noticed though, and we talked about this in our sessions with Team Ignite, that normally when you get this much testing and rejection, even though it broke through here, it came back and almost completed that whole candle. That it's going to, if it fails to swing lower, then we're going to see that push up.
Yeah.
So I would look at like this, even though it's already taken off, right? But we'd have to have a stop here for 2 to 1.
Let's see. All right, we got 7 minutes until open. That's going to be very telling. I would love it to like push down and grab some liquidity and then go up. That's what I would like to see. And then with PPI coming out, it's an hour ago. It's definitely gonna, New York is definitely gonna react to that, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. And that would support the Dow pushing up a little bit too. So yeah. Yeah. So I think we just have to wait until open and then we'll see. Opens in 5 minutes, so not too far away. Oh, I wanted to take a look. Where's the TDI?
See that? Huh?
15. Oh, yeah, I see. I do see, if you look at the 15-minute, there is some divergence there on the TDI.
Yeah. And that's just going to push that up. Yeah, I think this is
bullish.
Oh, yeah. For sure. For sure. I mean, that's the move right there. Let me see on the 1 minute. And especially the way this crawled, that's normally a sign for me, one of my confluences, to say when it's crawling like this and it's not just a straight shot, like straight line like this, where you get long candles, that it's continuing up. And then we still have room on the 1 minute, the 5 minute.
5 minute, yeah.
So we got 4 minutes.
4 minutes. 4 minutes.
Yeah, this might retest that, but I think overall still it's going to be higher.
That's trying to make a shark fin on the 1 minute. You see, we'll see what happens with that. My ideal situation would be for it to push down for me to take it up. Push down first. I would like that.
So what are you doing on contract sizes today?
I haven't decided yet. I guess I should decide now, right?
You can probably decide now. You got 3 minutes.
I think I'm gonna do 5. I'm gonna do 5 today.
I'm like,
I'm gonna do half.
Nedra, you probably want to make that decision now. and see what happens here. Yeah, I should have went in on this
Early.
because yeah,
Yeah,
because it's doing exactly what I said it was going to
it was
do.
going to do. Yeah, it is.
And it's going to hit my TP before open, which would have been, like 900
Okay.
off of that.
Yeah. The open will give us another move. Don't worry.
Oh yeah. There, look, it's just the start of the day. It's just
Mm-hmm.
the start of the day. Um,
Let me change.
let's see here. But that cross down here at 820, where all the MAs, the 50, the 21, the 7 were all right here, and they
Mm-hmm.
split, would have been, the perfect place to take it if you didn't set your trade from down here, because you would have had maybe a little drop. Well, after this point, you wouldn't have had any drawdown.
Yeah, see that.
Yeah.
All right, we're a minute away from open. Actually, less than a minute.
So let's look on the 15-minute. Are we at any substantial point for that to turn around or anything? I think there it goes.
It's pushing up, which is now making me wonder if it's a sell. Let's see. If we're gonna push up higher. Yeah, I think we're gonna push up higher. Yeah.
Order submitted.
And
Yep.
okay. I feel like I got into this late though.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna move this
Yeah.
down below.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm gonna lose in that one. I do believe.
Yeah, it was a late.
Because I entered. I should have entered when I first said I was going to enter, and then I probably would have been okay. But let's see if this is going to give me.
Yeah, it may sell down because
I got stopped out on this one.
You got stopped out?
Yeah, I did, because I entered at the wrong place. I should have entered where I first had mine. I would have been fine, but then you got that pullback.
Yeah.
And that wick took me out. So I'm gonna just wait. Did you go into that one?
I did. But I thought I was gonna get stopped out, but it's like kind of teetering around.
Okay, 5 minute has 3 minutes left in it. Okay. $16. I'm gonna wait. Hold on. 5 seconds. There we go.
Order submitted.
I just want my 625 back, and I'm good.
Right. I'm still in
There we
it.
go. I'm good. I'm break even now off that because it stopped me out.
Okay, and I'm closing out.
Order filled.
Okay, how much did you make on that one?
3,000.
3,000. Oh, that was good. That was good.
Yeah, because I moved my TP. That's why.
Okay. Yeah, that was good. Let me see where we are.
It's still pushing.
Yeah, like crazy. And it's going to go right into my zone there, 30 minutes.
So you're at
I
break
want
even right now, so you can
Yeah,
still.
I'm at break even. I want to see a small pullback on the 30-second.
Okay.
If I get a small pullback on the 30-second, I'll get back in.
Okay.
11 seconds on that. Yeah, it's not pulling back. That's the
It's
thing.
not pulling back. Yeah.
130.
I
Let
think
me
it's
see
heading
if this
straight
is
into that
pullback.
area that you have marked.
Order submitted.
Just trail
There
your
we go.
stop loss closer.
Yeah, I'm just going to 150, 225.
Ugh.
Come on.
Where's your stop loss at, Dr. Denise?
That's a good question.
Order
I
filled.
didn't have one.
Oh, okay.
That's why my finger was on that button, girl. I didn't have one. I'm like, no, I'm just going to manually do this one. Don't try it
I
out
wanted you to
there.
trail it, though. I wanted you to
Listen,
trail
I
it and
know, but I
stay.
had already hit my button. I'd already hit my button.
I
So
wanted you to
listen
stay
here.
in and trail it, but it's okay.
Listen here, people. Do not do what I did, okay? Do not do what I did. Just put your stop loss on there. Put your stop loss on there. That was like a real scalp on the 30-second. Did y'all see that? That was a 30-second scalp. 625, okay? Do not do what I did for safety reasons.
For safety
Oh,
reasons.
you know what? We didn't even have a disclaimer this morning.
Oh.
This show is only for entertainment purposes only. We are not giving financial advice. We are not telling you to trade Dow 30. Thank you. Substantial risk of loss, people, and is not suitable for all individuals. This live stream and trading activities is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Content is not provided as financial advice and should not be construed as such. Viewers are encouraged to conduct their own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The host, Nedra, and I of this live stream do not guarantee the accuracy of our decisions, accuracy or completeness or reliability of any information presented, and shall not be held liable for any losses incurred as a result of trading decisions made based on the content of this live stream.
And past performance is not indicative.
Thank you. Thank you, Tim, because you forgot your own risk. Woo, thank you. Forgot all about that this morning. But let's go back and see what we got here.
Okay.
We got a nice little pullback.
That's the pullback.
Little pullback. 8 minutes left on that 15-minute candle. That TDI wants to still push higher on the 15, on the 30, and on the 1 hour. We're coming up to meet that. So let's see.
Now, but on the 15-minute, the only thing, so when you look at the 15-minute, go back to the 15-minute, you see how it's like pushing up into the top band, and now we have the wick exhaustion. What do you feel about that?
It's got to complete that move because it's too straight.
Okay.
When I look at the 30-minute, you see how it's crossed the band on the 30-minute, but it still needs to resolve that. The 30-minute, the 45, it still needs to resolve that, and the top band on the 45 has gone up. It's widened out. So that, to me, this is starting to curve, but 3 minutes. We got a little pullback there, a little pullback there. On the 1 minute, we got a deep pullback, but it is not to the point of breaking this 21 either.
Mm-hmm.
Even if it comes down to the 21 and this comes all the way down here,
I don't see any divergence yet either.
No, I think it's just a pullback to get ready to take this higher. So even if this comes back down, this was tweezer tops there.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. So these were equal levels here. That's so pretty. That's so pretty.
Tim would like that.
I would love that. Tim would actually love that. There's his tweezer tops.
Yeah.
So let's go back.
All right, we still got this nice pullback.
Yeah. Very nice pullback back to the 21 on the 30-second chart. Let's see, where did we start a new 5-minute candle? We are 1 minute away from a new 5-minute candle. And I think this is the move to take that up again. Because we need another 30 seconds. We need another 30 seconds on this. And
I just don't like the potential. I wanted to break that potential double body on the 5-minute.
On the 5-minute?
Yeah, it just broke up. Like, I don't want it to close. Oh, it's about to close that 5-minute. Okay, that's good. I like what it's doing now. Yes.
So this should be the new candle. But what'd you get in?
The buy.
The buy.
Well, I have my, I'm gonna put my
That's
my
the
stop.
wick. That's the wick for that 5-minute candle.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna wait a minute.
Okay.
And
I surpassed my. So if it doesn't hold this, I'm gonna take the loss. Where are we? But I'll still be in profit for the day. So I want to see what it's going to do on this candle.
Because that rejection right there off of that on the 30-second. But let's see what happens here.
Yeah, I don't like the rejection here, but we'll see.
I'm waiting for this to turn up a little bit. And I think, how many? 5-minute. 354 on the 5-minute.
Mm-hmm.
So that gives me what I want.
Order submitted.
It keeps on rejecting this area, though. That's the only thing.
I know. I just, Let's see.
Just trying to push.
It is. Just keep on going north. That's what I needed to do. But let's see here what happens.
Mm-hmm.
I'm only going in for 625 right now, unless I see this like really take off.
It's having a hard time pushing past this area. Let me put a little rectangle right there.
Yeah. But it still wants to push.
Wants to.
Yeah.
I would like to see it go past that wick to the left. That would make me happy.
There we go. I want to bring this up.
Do I see divergence? Let me see. No. Yeah, it's having a hard time here. I don't like it.
Let me see the 30-second. Yuck.
How's the 30 seconds look?
It's fighting. but it's not. If I go back, nope. I took a loss
Order
there,
filled.
375.
Oh, you took it?
I took the loss, 375, because it wants to go down now. It's still this higher high, higher low, this TDI pointing straight down.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out too.
Order filled.
6 seconds on this for 3.
Yeah. So I think I'm gonna be done. I'm up. I'm still up 2,000. So I'm just gonna leave my profit at that.
I didn't have my fair value gap on either.
Okay.
Order submitted.
Yeah, this wants to go down some more.
It looked like it does.
Do not do what I do. Do not do what I do. People, do not do what I do. I still think this is gonna go down some. I got 1 second on this. Let's see if this is gonna push. Or is it gonna push back up from here? In 5 minutes, what did this look like? Let's see.
It's consolidating now.
Yeah, there it goes.
It wants to push.
It is pushing. There it goes. So $17 seconds left on this candle on the 32nd. See, this TDI still wants to push down. That's the only reason I'm staying in it right now. 7 seconds here. But we are right on that fair value gap.
The buy one, right?
Yeah, I'm taking the money.
Order filled.
I'm taking the money. So I'm good. Yeah, we're right here on this. So we ended the day in profit.
Yes.
And it's a good thing.
I took the first one was profit and the second one was loss, but I'm still in profit, so it's fine.
Yeah. Yeah. I think we're good. I think we're good. Let's see here. And see, this was, let me take that fair value cap off. This was as far as that wanted to go, right at that 21. And then let's see, we're close to 9 o'clock, and this is it's like 13 minutes before. 13 minutes before the next news. So that's probably why we're getting that.
Like the choppiness, like the consolidation.
Yeah, because I thought I changed this to only US. Uh, let me refresh this. 8:48. Okay, yeah, because 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, there's going to be some impact there for sure. I already know.
Mm-hmm.
So in order to not get scathed out there, it might consolidate um, to right there, which that's what it's doing. And then probably we'll see the reaction off of this. I don't think it's going to break, even though like on the 32nd, this move down, you see it, to me, that's like preparation um, for it to move higher, because then we'll have a shark fin on the bottom. But this move here does not match this move, because we would have expected it price to fall lower here. I would have, with this move on the TDI, but it didn't. And then you've got this move here, but price is consolidating. It's not moving anywhere. So that just is telling me that it's prepping for going higher.
Yeah.
You know, my first planned trade there, that would have been nice to be able to
trail. Yeah, to catch it all the way from there.
Yeah, if I would have got in down here. But I took some scalps in the middle there. And then let's see what we're thinking. 10-minute. It's 7 seconds for a 10-minute. Let's see. Okay, Marika said she took the buy with Nedra and she's up $1,300. Marika.
Hey.
Marika, high five to you. That is awesome. $1,300. Nice job, Marika. Nice job. Well, let's see if this is the new 10-minute candle, and we're 10 minutes out from, we've got 10 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. So reset my chart here. Let's see. I'm going to go down to the 1 minute. It's still consolidating. It's still consolidating there.
Yeah, it's not, I don't like the movement right now to get into anything else.
Yeah, I'm going to put this trade idea right here.
And see
what I feel is going to happen again. And we don't have anything else to gauge it off of because it's in all-time high territory. But that would be
a hit the all-time high. It didn't hit it yet, though.
Not yet, but it's going to. It is going to, because that 1 hour resolution on that TDI, we got 8 minutes until another 1 hour candle. So no matter what it does here, that's what I think is going to happen. Because this is only getting ready to take it back up. It's failing to go below here.
That area, yeah.
Yeah. It's failing to swing low and close below that. And let's see the TDI on the 32nd. Mm-hmm. Hold on a second here. Yeah, 7 minutes.
Before it closes, yeah.
Mm-hmm. I want to see what this would be. That would be roughly 1,600.
About to close.
Yep, there it goes again.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, and this crossed here, so that would have been another. That's a 4-to-1.
Mm-hmm.
I should have. I set it up and still didn't take it, but it just goes to prove my point, right?
Yes.
If it comes back
But it's
down,
okay. You're in profit for the day.
yes, I am. I'm happy about that. I am. I am happy about that. So let's see how this resolves itself. That's a new 4-minute candle. So it's less than 5 minutes on the 15, the 30, and the 1 hour. And the 4 hours. So we're going to get a new 4 hour, 1 hour, 30, 15 candle
Mm-hmm.
in 4 minutes.
Everything's gonna happen at 10 o'clock.
Yeah. So, you got big plans for the weekend?
Not big plans, but Arden has a game this weekend. She's a cheerleader, so I will be in the stands. Woo, go baby, go! And then I have a birthday dinner to attend.
Okay, so you're going to be busy. I've got grandkids this weekend.
And I work again tonight.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Okay.
I do.
Yeah, well, I've got grandkids this weekend. Grandboys are coming over. Their parents are celebrating their anniversary going out of town. So I'll have a 12-year-old and a 9-year-old.
Oh, nice and rambunctious. Yes, they will be.
And the oldest one was already texting me like, "Okay, Nana, what are we doing?
What are we doing?"
Like he's like, "What are we doing when you pick us up to see?" I'm like, "Dude, I don't know. I don't know what we're doing."
I don't remember having this much entertainment when I was little.
Girl, no. Your parents told you to go play outside.
Right.
Go play outside. Go find your friends. Go play outside. Don't leave the yard. That kind of stuff, right?
Exactly.
But he wants to know, what are we doing? I don't know. I have no idea. But we are at like 30 seconds. I mean, 3 minutes. So I would like to ask, like in the last 3 minutes, we're going to see how this trade plays out. But I would like to ask, does anybody have any questions? Because we forgot about that this time. So if you have any questions, you can put it in the chat. And I do want to thank Tim, Mr. Born Again FX, for helping us out behind the scenes
Thank you.
for the Nedra and Denise Power Hour. I want to thank you, Tim. Does anybody have any questions for us before we close out for today? Thank
Tisha
you,
said we
Kamika.
need more power hours. Great call, ladies. We will have another one next month.
Yeah, we'll be on again in a month.
Yeah.
And be able to share. Today went pretty good. I'm proud of us.
Yeah, that was good.
Thank you, Judy. Thank you, Tim.
Yeah, price is definitely going sideways right now. Trying to push up, but it has to push past this level.
Yep. And there it goes.
Yeah.
We're at 8:59. And it's getting ready to,
for consumer.
Yep, hit my TP there. We'll see how this ends, and then we'll sign off. Because I'm wondering, since this is a new hour candle, we're gonna get I would think we'd get some push down first for that wick. And then that move up. But let's see here. Looks like it just wants to take off right from here, though, for real. Okay, that was the wick right there, that candle. That's the wick. That's the wick for the new candle. We'll let that play out. And normally I give that a good,
oh, it's 10 o'clock right now.
Yep. Yep.
Well, 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time.
Yeah. Can you look at the news and see what?
Yeah. So it came in lower than expected.
Okay.
Previous was 70.1. Forecast was 70.9, and the report is 68.9. So that would be negative for the dollar, which means that US 30 should push up. But I wonder what consumer sentiment, if that is a little different. See, this is where we need Tim. He's the headline news guru.
Exactly, Tim. We're calling you.
Because it's consumer sentiment, I wonder, will it react negatively for the ZXY? That's something that I will have to look up and backtest.
Yeah. Yeah, we did get that little pullback there. So I wonder, was that the cue? And how tight this is there. That might be high, lower high. That's definitely a lower high. But here, if we have to skip this one for a drawback, high, lower high, unless this bounces back.
Right.
But I think see, it only went as far as that 40, and there it goes. It only went as far as the 40. Let me see if I can reset this so I can see.
Where is my... I'm like, do I log back into Ninja Trader?
Yeah, see, it only
I don't
went
know
as
how much
far as
higher.
40.
I don't know how much higher that's gonna go. I don't like all the rejection there.
Yeah, but I think, let's see, on the 1 minute. See, it already touched this. which would have surpassed this high. So it's already broken that structure right there. And this is it's going to push, it's going to meet my TP. And then we're still above the 21 and the 7. So it might keep, you might get a few drawbacks here and there, but I still think that it's going to still, that TDI on the 30-second and the 1 minute. Five minute. We got 1 minute left on the 5 minute candle. Let me take this line off because that was the news I was waiting for. We got 1 minute left on the candle.
I don't know. I feel like it's starting to show exhaustion here. It's just not moving much past this area.
Yeah. 30 seconds.
I mean, everything still says bullish. It may push up a little bit more, at least to hit that TP, but I don't know if it will push up much further than that.
Let me see where it's at on the 5 minute. See, this is the thing though. It's either going to push up more or it's going to have to consolidate, because this 21, this 7 and 21 got to meet somewhere to turn around.
Yes, that is true.
So, and right, on these, it's too big of a gap. And this is not even on the 7, on the 15 minute. So it's either going to have to consolidate, right there, or it's either going to have to, like here. Okay, this is trying to close in. So maybe that was the high right there.
Yeah.
And that would still be a lower high considering this, right? Because this off of that wick was right there. And then this is where we're at now. So there's a little gap there. So it's either going to have to, these two are going to have to like meet, and that is going to close up this gap on the 5 minute. That's a large gap though. Between those two, that's
there goes the push right there.
Thing that makes me think that it's still gonna, there it goes.
There it goes.
Bam. Okay, I'm done now.
It would nice.
Yeah.
Yep.
So
that would have been your TP. And how many points was that for?
This one would have been 81. 81.
It's about to hit all-time highs.
I know. And I'm telling you, it's going up here.
It's
in
about
my
to hit
own
all-time
swap.
highs.
Because that 1 hour, look at the 1 hour, look at the 1 hour TDI. It's not turning around. And that 4 hours still has room to push up. So it's gonna hit 4,300, 43,000.
Yeah.
Mark my words, people. Woo, I shouldn't have said that. But yeah. Let's see on the 1 minute, where is it in relationship to 4,300? Oh,
it's almost going. It's almost going.
Oh, look at that. 26 points to 40.
It's going.
Somebody tell me something.
Yeah, and that's all-time highs. It might actually break all-time highs today.
Remember that you heard it first here. Kamika, you passed your challenge. Excellent. High five.
Oh,
High
that's
five,
so
Kamika.
good, Kamika. Yes.
Awesome. I'm so proud of you. I'm so
Yes.
proud of you. We talked about this week, and you took your time and you said, okay, you wanted to get it before Friday, and it came. Look
That's
at that.
so good.
Congratulations. That's what I'm talking about. Team Ignite, fourth quarter. What did we say? What did we say? The girl is funded. The
I
girl
love
is
it. I
funded
love
now.
it.
Awesome.
love
You were
it.
in Mass. Awesome. Kamika.
Yeah, she
I'm
must have
so
been taking
proud
the
of you.
buys on NAS. That's good.
Yeah, let's look to see what Nas was doing. Ooh, yes.
Mm-hmm.
That's a money move right there. Not
Yeah.
even one pullback on the 1 minute.
That
That's a
is so
money
great.
move. And Mia, I know you were in some trades this morning.
Mm.
You got some coins in your bag this morning, I know. Yes. Congratulations.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Well, this is the end of the Denise and Nedra Power Hour. I'm so happy for all of you that joined us this morning. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for your support. Congratulations to Marika on that $1,300 win. Congratulations, Kamika, on that new funded account. We love it.
Yes.
Oh, and Judy was in gold for $1,525. Come on now.
Oh, come on.
Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Excellent, ladies.
That's
excellent.
Awesome.
Nice work, Judy.
This is a good morning. I love
it's
to see it.
It's a good morning. We all ended in profit. I love it. So until next time, blessings to everybody.
Yes, blessings to everyone.
We'll see you next month.
See you next month.